I'm Leah.
And I'm Emily.
And we're from leahgriffith.com, and today we're going to show you
16 cozy crafts for fall.
You're going to want to do every single one of these.
And this month, we are going to be doing a craft summit.
Our Fall Craft Summit is October 16th through the 20th, and we'll have a live class every day.
And if you miss these live classes, they will be available for replay immediately afterwards.
We're going to start the Craft Summit with these really bright and cheerful marigolds, and these are made out of crepe paper, and I cannot wait to see how Megan used color to add all that extra detail.
On Tuesday, the 17th, we are going to be making these felt artichokes.
I can't wait to have a full basket of these to put on my table.
They're making me hungry.
On Wednesday, we'll continue with felt and make these cute little embroidered owl patches, which Emily will teach us how to do.
This is a great project for beginners and if anybody wants to get into embroidering. On Thursday, I'm going to be showing you how to make this watercolor layered art. This is the new one in our series. The first one was the Mirabelle Plum, and this one is an oak branch.
This style of artwork has been a member request in that it's so easy to do and make it look like a professional piece of artwork. To wrap up the week, we're going to be making this stunning Virginia creeper branch with the dark blueberries and the orange stems. This is just an eye catcher.
This would be a wonderful centerpiece in a vase or in the middle of a table. I just love the colors. We hope you can join us for these 5 live classes.
And of course, we have more projects to talk about, so let's move on to the next set.
Next up, let's talk about some ways that we can decorate our table for fall.
I do think that fall is my favorite time of year, and I do like to spend October preparing for a glorious Thanksgiving dinner. And of course, I do love to integrate handcrafted items on the table with the beautiful food.
First off, check out these very cute faux flower lanterns.
I love the idea of putting little tea lights in these lanterns and placing one at each table setting. If you're adding paper details onto your table, these napkin rings are perfect, and I love how we're using the fall oak leaf in the motif.
I agree, and I love the color combination with this dusty orange and the dark blue. And another napkin option is to add a leaf motif with the heat transfer vinyl.
These have 2 different tones of gold, which adds a little bit of texture, and I love using these not only for a napkin, but for a placemat. And finally, to add a little bit of texture, you can weave some of these little coasters.
Or as I like to call them, mug rugs. I made these in my craft camp for this month, so you can check out that video for free on YouTube. Just follow the link below.
For our paper plant this month, we have a cardstock maidenhair fern. This is so pretty.
There's so much detail in this. I feel like it would be beautiful by itself in a vase or even in an arrangement. And for this month's felt flower, we have the Rudbeckia Sahara.
I love how Krista has been using the pan pastel to add gradients onto the petals.
And for our felt stuffy this month, we have a continuation of our critter series, and we have the trash panda, or the raccoon.
I don't know what to say, he's just a cutie. For this month, we're going to highlight 4 of our member favorites. And the first one is the felt pear. Again, this goes so great with your artichokes in a bowl in the center of your table for fall.
This would be a great place to start if you want to get into making felt food. And another member favorite are these crepe paper and roving wool cotton stems.
I am looking forward to using these in an arrangement for my table.
Boop, boop.
The next is this woven basket made from wool blend felt, and you can make this in any color that you'd like.
This would be a great gift for the holidays if you're trying to make all of your gifts this year.
Our last member favorite is this paper cut turkey. Who doesn't want a turkey on their table?
This is a great option for vegans who want to get into the holiday spirit.
I also love this project because it's an interactive craft for kids. You can find all of the templates and tutorials for every single one of these crafts at leahgriffith.com.
And you can find all of the tools and materials on our shop, feltpaperscissors.com.
We'll see you at our fall summit, and you can use the link below to join.
Now I think it's time to get crafting. We'll see you next time.
Bye.